Nolo Business Formation App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Business Formation app is designed to simplify launching a business, but most people get this wrong when they think it's just about filing paperwork. The surprising truth is that it guides you through forming ELCs, corporations or partnerships, while providing legal explanations and document templates along the way. One major pro is clarity. The app walks users through selecting the right business structure, registering with the state, and filing necessary forms. Nolo also offers guides on operating agreements, bylaws, and other essential documents, making it easier for entrepreneurs to stay compliant from day one. Another advantage is affordability. Hiring a lawyer to form a business can be expensive, but Nolo provides budget-friendly options with step-by-step guidance and easy-to-use templates. It's especially useful for startups and small business owners who want legal support without high costs. On the downside, the app does not replace a licensed attorney for complex legal situations. Multi-member ELCs, intricate shareholder agreements or disputes may still require professional legal advice. Some users also find that state-specific nuances require additional research. In conclusion, the Nolo Business Formation app is a practical solution for entrepreneurs looking to start a business efficiently. It provides clear guidance, affordable tools, and essential document templates, while streamlining the formation process. While not a replacement for professional legal counsel in complex cases, it's an excellent first step toward launching your business confidently.